I'm your midwife Donna and I will be sharing to you what is the benefits of outdoor sunscreen. Some of us, ang alam natin, ang paggamit ng outdoor sunscreen is seasonal lang. Tuwing swimming time, outdoor activities, at kung mamamasyal lang. Pwede rin itong gamitin for daily use. Why we need apply sunscreen? Some studies, ang sikat ng araw ay nagbibigay sa atin ng benepisyo, katulad ng pag-produce ng ating katawan ng vitamin D for bone development, alertness, and reduces depression symptoms. But long-term unprotected exposure to sun or UVA and UVB lights, maaari tayong magkaroon ng damages sa ating mga skin, katulad ng skin irritation, sunburn, redness, inflammation, and burning sensation. When we need use or apply outdoor sunscreen, long-term exposure sa harapan, katulad ng swimming, pamamasyal, hatid sundo sa ating mga anak sa eskwelahan, or mga outdoor activities. How to apply outdoor sunscreen? First, make sure lang na malinis na ang katawan ni baby at ni mommy before directly apply outdoor sunscreen. Second, apply outdoor sunscreen at least 5 to 10 minutes before exposure to sun or sa initan. Using outdoor sunscreen is the easiest and best way to protect your skin appearance at any age.